Asuntoskeittiö Mukkulan City.
This is very amazing. What was the address?
Reppurinkatu 3, staircase B.
Yes. We have also Finland here, and I have the Finland later here. Calculated access Finland as well.
Yeah.
This is the original material. So
Yeah.
amazing. Has been built in 1969. It's here in Mukkula, will be Mukkula in Swedish, and Lahti is Finland.
Yeah.
Consumers H17806, pop-out pictures, 3 lines here. Also built in 1969.
Dit pakje wijsbestand maintained by Kone.
I love the sounds of smell. The belt feature. Amazing cloth.
Yeah.
So it goes up.
Yeah.
Third right.
Yeah.
I have to try this thing aside.
Yeah.
That would be the only one in Mukkula left.
You have some other ones also, but I don't have anything anymore.
Oh, that's it. Let me get to the sticky say sounds.
That's